everyone, handa na ba kayong magbilang at balikan ang nakaraan? Ano pang iniintay nyo? Tara na! Halina't MATH-TUTO. Bring back the basic. The new normal numeracy program. Today, we will talk about how to multiply whole numbers. By the way, I am Mr. Connor Daryl S. Ramos, or you can call me Teacher Daryl. Kunin ang inyong panulat at papel at sabay-sabay tayong matuto kung paano mag-multiply. In this lesson, you will be able to name the parts of multiplication sentence. Multiply any number by 1 or 2 or 3-digit factor and solve problems involving multiplication of whole numbers. Are you guys ready? Simulan na natin. Halina't MATH-TUTO. Mathematically speaking, multiplication is the process of combining or putting together the sets with equal number of elements. It is also a shorter method of putting together similar addends. Given 5 times 4, we need to multiply 5 4 times or multiply 4 5 times. So we have 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 20. Therefore, 5 times 4 is 20. X is known as multiplication symbol. 5 is called the multiplicand. 4 is called the multiplier. And 20 is called the product or the answer in the multiplication. 5 and 4 are also known as the factors of 20. Let's have some examples. Multiply 2,902 by 6. Here, 2,902 is our multiplicand and 6 is our multiplier. Always remember, in multiplying numbers to a one-digit multiplier, start multiplying the multiplier from the rightmost digit of the multiplicand going to the left. Now, let's proceed to our solution. First, multiply 2 times 6. The answer is 12. Write 2 below the ones digit and carry 1 to the next number in the multiplicand. Next, 0 times 6 is 0. Huwag nating kalimutang i-add ang 1 na nakakarry sa itaas ng 0. So the answer is 1. Isulat natin ito sa tapat ng tens digits. Wala tayong i-carry dahil isang digit lang naman ang ating sagot. Next is 9 times 6, 54. Since 2 digits ito, write 4 sa susunod na hilera and carry 5 sa susunod na number sa multiplicand. 2 times 6 is 12. I-add natin ang 5 na nakakarry dito. 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. At dahil naubos na natin ang digit sa multiplicand, isusulat na natin ng buo ang 17 sa ibaba. Therefore, our final answer is 17,412. Another example is 118 times 12. In this case, we need to multiply the multiplicand by a 2-digit multiplier. Here, we need to follow 3 steps. Step 1 is to multiply the digits of 118 by ones digit of the multiplier, which is 2. 1 by 1 from right to left. 8 times 2 is equal to 16. Write 6 and carry 1. Next, 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Plus 1 is 3. Lastly, 1 times 2 is equal to 2. This will be our first partial product. Step 2, multiply the digits of 118 by the number in the tens place of the multiplier, which is 1. 1 by 1 from right to left. 8 times 1 is equal to 8. As the new starting point, write the answer 8 below the tens digits because we are now multiplying the digits of the multiplicand to the number in the tens place of the multiplier. Next, 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Write it below 2. Lastly, 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Write it on the left side of 1. This will be our second partial product. Step 3 is to add the digits of the partial products by column. Bring down 6. 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. Write down 1 and carry 1 to the next column. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Don't forget to add that carry 1 we put a while ago. And that gives us 4. Lastly, bring down 1. So our final answer will be 1,416. Now, let's try to apply multiplication in real-life situation. Nick delivers 405 newspapers every day. How many newspapers can he deliver in 5 days? In this problem, we need to determine the number of newspapers delivered by Nick in 5 days. If he can deliver 405 newspapers per day, meaning to say, we need to multiply 405 by 5. So, we can have 5 times 5 is equal to 25. Write down 5 and carry 2. 0 times 5 is 0. Plus 2 is 2. 4 times 5 is 20. Write down 20. Therefore, Nick can deliver 2,025 newspapers in 5 days.
And that's it. Did you learn something? Let us now summarize everything we discussed in today's lessons. We were able to name the parts of multiplication sentence. Multiply any number by 1, 2, or 3-digit factors. And solve problems involving multiplication of whole numbers. Since everything is clear, you may now start answering learning tasks of the week. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe in our YouTube channel so you will be updated in our latest uploads. At ayun na nga, natapos na naman ang ating talakayan. Hanggang sa susunod na linggo, dito lamang sa programang punong-puno ng kaalaman. Mundo ng numbers, atin niyang pag-uusapan. Halina't Matuto, bring back the basic. The new normal numeracy program. Bye-bye!